Hey there, fellow QuickBooks users. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tasks into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling a common query: how to find a pay stub in QuickBooks Online for 2025. Whether you're an employee checking your earnings or a business owner helping your team, this guide will save you time and frustration. QuickBooks Online is a powerhouse for managing finances, and locating pay stubs is easier than you might think. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account. If you're new, just head to the QuickBooks website, enter your credentials, and you're good to go. Once you're in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Payroll tab on the left-hand side menu. It's usually under the Employees or Business sections, depending on your account setup. Step 2. Click on Payroll to open that section. Here, you'll see options related to employees and payments. Next, select Employees from the submenu. This will bring up a list of all your team members. If you have a lot of employees, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the one you need. Now, for the key part. Click on the employee's name to open their profile. Scroll down or look for a section labeled Pay History, Payroll Details, or Documents. In QuickBooks Online 2025, they've made this even more intuitive, so you might see a direct link to pay stubs. Once you find it, click to view or download the pay stub as a PDF. It's that straightforward. One quick tip: if you're an employee accessing your own pay stub, you might need admin permissions or a separate login provided by your employer. Always double-check for any updates in the 2025 version, as QuickBooks rolls out improvements regularly. There you have it. Finding your pay stub in QuickBooks Online is a breeze. This process not only helps with record keeping but also ensures you're on top of your finances. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.